Hi friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to tell about how you can invest mutual fund, what is the portfolio, where you can open the account. So I have my mutual fund account in Paytm. So you can open in Paytm, or if you want you can open in PhonePe or Zerodha or some other brokers are there. You can open in their website. So I have opened. So I am going through it. You can see here Paytm online demat account. Already I have logged in before. If you want to open your new account, you required your date of birth, PAN card and bank details where you have amount. So this is my portfolio. So here if you go, if you logged in, otherwise if you can create through mobile app, otherwise you can through system. So after that you can click here start investing. I will just tell you the portfolio where you can check and how you can check. Start portfolio, you will get here options like mutual funds, stock and EFTS, IPO, feature and options, NPs and super saver funds. So today we are going to check mutual funds. How can we analyze? So that only I am going to discuss. I have to click here. So again we have to click on invest now. So this is my portfolio. I am going here mutual funds now. Again invest now I am clicking. So here you can see, I will just show you the portfolio, how here the interface, how you can check. Here you can see return duration 3 years, minimum investment 500. You can start with 500, but if you are going lump sum, based on the companies, based on the investment plan, they will tell how much minimum investment you can do. Fund up category, equity you can invest, hybrid, tax saver, debt, whichever you will select, that companies here will come and you can select. AMC, asset management companies. This is, I will take one more video what is asset management companies. So here you can see, so we are going through one account. You can see here we are choosing Kotak small fund direct growth. I am clicking here. So one company analyze, how can we do in mutual fund? You can do, lot of companies are there, you can analyze. So one sample of it I am showing it, Kotak small cap fund direct growth. So this is have NAV, net asset value 163.2320. Whatever the investor invested in this is the net asset value 163.2320. Today it is in negative minus 1.4420 today. And 3 years CAGR return, you within 3 years you can expect 26.56. So you can see here the chart. This is the growth. So if you are keeping long term, it won't be that much in loss. It is in profitable only. So if you come down, you can see who is the fund manager here. Pankaj Tibrewal is the fund manager for this Kotak small cap fund direct growth. So here you can see 5,348 crore is the scheme asset size, 5,348.63 crore. Expenses ratio, there are some commissions, some other expenses are there, that is the ratio 0.52. And cash holdings, whatever they are holding the cash, that is a 6.85. That is open end, or in last video already I told what is the open end. Open end means you can enter in any time over the year and you can exit. So this is the open end. Exit load means while if you don't want to, and if you don't want this mutual fund and you want to exit, so while exiting there is a some expense amount, so that you have to pay. That only they mentioned there. For unit in excess of 10% of the investment, 1% will be charged. If your unit in excess of 10%, they will charge 1%. The sectors holding, where they are holding sectors, this company Kotak small cap fund direct growth, they are holding the sectors in chemicals 14.66, that is 784.11 crore. Consumer durable, they are investing 14.33. Metals, FMCG, if you see, you will get to know the details where they are investing our amount if you are invested in this. Companies holding this mutual fund, which companies they are holding, which companies holding in the mutual fund. So which companies they are investing? Other Century Plyboard India Limited, Sheela Foam Limited. So like this, so many companies they are invested 6.68, 4.57. You can see like this. You can check other companies also. So here they given scheme details. AUM 5348 CR, category equity small cap. This is a equity small cap, launch date 1 Jan 2013, fund type open end, means any time you can enter in this fund. So this is their tellings. Here I will tell you some of the details. You can see here they given start SIP. If you have account and you want to start, you can start SIP. SIP means SIP, systematic investment plan. So you can enter in this. If you want lump sum, you can enter in lump sum, but starting when you are going, don't go with equity, go with debt with small amount. Minimum they will ask SIP 1000 based on the companies where you are investing. Here you can see in the last 3 months you should get return. Last 3 months they are given 16.35% return. Last 3 months, last 6 months 30.63%. Last 1 year 105.86%. Last 3 years 102.97%. Last 5 years 157.99%. So return increased. How much you are keeping means how many months, how many years you are keeping, based on that you will get a return. Growth rate is good, but now you have to check scheme riskometer. Risk, how much it is risk. In this it is showing high risk, so don't invest at present on this because riskometer is high. So like this you can check the other companies, other sectors, and you can invest in this. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt, queries, please keep your message in comment box. And let me know which kind of videos you are expecting. Tomorrow might be I'll go with the share market, and one by one I'll cover. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Your support is the important. This is my new channel, so I'm expecting your support, and thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.